Friends, have you ever experienced rejection even after applying hundreds of jobs? This is common for all of us in this competitive world. Overall, global unemployment is projected to reach 208 million people in 2023, with an unemployment rate of 5.8%. So, it is very important to check if your CV is ATS friendly or not. In this video, I will show you how to check ATS score of your resume by comparing the job description and skills. You can watch my previous videos on how to make ATS compliant CV and free AI tools to create ATS friendly CV in 5 minutes by clicking the video links in the description. In this informative video, I will introduce you to the ultimate tool to improve your resume's chances of getting noticed and passing through the Applicant Tracking System (ATS) filters used by employers. I will show you how to check your CV ATS score using cvscan.uk and jobscan.co. Let me show you how to use cvscan.uk. Open CV Scan website from Google. Simply click on Scan your CV. Now, you have to copy and paste your resume in this box. So, I will just copy my resume and paste it here. Now the next step is to paste the job description for your profile. I will take random job description from naukri.com for the telecom engineer profile. Just copy the job description for this job profile and paste it in the box here. Click on the scan, but before that select your job category. I will select IT telecoms. Now just click on scan and you will see the magic. JobScan will show you the match rate of your CV for the job you are applying for. Let me try to check for the fiber network engineer job profile. Again, just copy the job description, press clear then and paste the job description in the box here. And press scan. Now the match rate is 61%, which indicates a good match. Let me try ELV engineer job description. Copy the job description from here. Press clear, and again paste the job description and then press scan. Amazing. Now the job match rate is 91%. Now you must think, how to improve my CV score, as I found a low score when comparing my CV on cvscan.uk. Now we have to try jobscan.co for improving our CV score before applying for any job. Just Google jobscan.uk and go to the web page. Click on Scan your resume. Just upload your CV, add job description and get your results. Now click on Upload your resume. Select your resume. Wait for few seconds. JobScan will start analyzing your CV. Then you need to copy and paste the job description of the job you are applying. Let me take you the job portal. I will select the job description for ELV engineer post. Copy the job description and paste it here. You can also select sample job description. Now, click on scan and wait for few seconds. JobScan will provide you the match rate of your resume for the ELV engineer job. The match rate is only 32%. JobScan will suggest the necessary changes to your resume to beat the ATS. Do changes to your CV as suggested here and then apply. Let's optimize my CV for another job. My CV was shortlisted for this job. Let's copy the job description and paste it and then press scan. Wait for few seconds to get your results. Now the job match rate is 48%. Now, I will upload another CV to compare with the same job description. Once you paste the resume, and then click on scan. Wait for few seconds. Amazing. The match rate is now 54%. I have to do many changes as suggested here, like changing job title, changing date format, and reducing the CV name to 30 characters. You can also compare the skills with the job description. Add the skills which are missing in your CV as suggested here. And you are done. So friends, if you are tired of getting rejected, do try this method as I suggested. After optimizing your CV with these tips, your CV will have more chances for getting shortlisted among other hundreds applications. Your job is half done once your CV is shortlisted. Be prepared for facing the interview based on the job description provided by the employer. You can crack the interview to get your dream job. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can watch my other videos by clicking the I button.